Everyone with a dream must stay awake. Let your dream drive to strive you for a peaceful future. Don't sit back and relax when you need to struggle, otherwise, you'll be begging to struggle when you should be relaxing. You can give up on everything, but not on your dream. If no one is supporting or motivating you, act like a blind man. Just don't give up. People don't celebrate failure. Make sure you in your shadow enhance your goal. Be desperate to terminate their insults with your result. Pursue your dream before they employ you to pursue theirs. No dream comes true without being an experience. Your success, achievement leaks through your energetic, enormously hard work and dedication. From a year to a month to a week to a day to an hour to a minute to a second. Not by being harder. Your success needs your effort before God can make it effortless success. Lose yourself in dry season so that you can find yourself in rainy season. There is time for everything. Keep moving. Don't be in haste. Run with wisdom so that you can have the strength to celebrate your achievements. Embrace your challenges, for they make you stronger. If working with your enemy will make you achieve your dream, give your friend breathing space. Oh my God. Wow.